The qualities that various of my favorite teachers held were making me feel challenged, encouraged me to become whatever I want in life, and reminded me to have fun in the process.
Yeah, so I would say my favorite teacher in high school would be Coach Mayfield. The reason why he taught me a lot of characteristics, for example, he was strict, and I learned a lot of to be disciplined pretty much. It was useful for not only but personally but professional level as well.
My favorite teacher was my kindergarten teacher, Mrs. Cole. She was very kind, very gentle. She was the best teacher I ever had.
My favorite teacher was probably when I was in high school. It was Mr. Nash. He was very personable. He had little nicknames for every student that he had. So a quality that I gave to me was to just be really personable with people and to be personal with them at all times, and it helped me really develop relationships as I've grown older.
So my favorite teacher was Mr. Heron in high school because he was very patient with us. He had these little cute anecdotes where he would say, "Are you confused?" And he always made learning fun.
My favorite teacher was Mr. Pickens. I had him in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. He was a history teacher, and he was our basketball coach, and he was just a real fair teacher. He always tried to, if you got into problems or something, he always tried to kind of help you work through it. He was just a great guy.
My favorite teacher was Miss Morgan. She was always sweet, caring, and she always gave us candy.
Probably my favorite teacher was Mr. Evans. He was my journalism teacher as well as my speech teacher. And while I'm not a good public speaker, and I didn't get into journalism, so I'm not a good writer, I didn't really enjoy the classes themselves that much, but they were required at the time. And the reason I liked him as a teacher is he tried to bring out the best in everybody. Tried to push them to show them what they could do.
My favorite teacher was Mr. Perez, and the reason why he was my favorite teacher was because he was so humble and kind to each of his students. So that taught me to always be humble and kind towards anybody that I encountered. Another one of the reasons was because he was always reaching out his hand to help us, not just in school, but also in personal. So it always allowed me to be able to talk to someone in need of help, or reaching out my hand to them, if they ever needed help.
My favorite teacher was Ms. Jody Crowder. She made me feel like I belonged.
On behalf of Diamond C, we want to encourage you teachers and just wish you the best of luck this school year. We want to remind you that you guys are planting the seeds for compassion, resilience, and wisdom that you may never fully see, but the world will feel. Thank you for all you do. Best of luck. We love y'all.